Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are checking out the HOROW N30. And I know at first glance this might look like your high-end, super ultra modern smart toilet with all the bells and whistles. And you already know that those take a ton of electrical wiring and can be a nightmare for people in smaller spaces or older homes. Well, good news. This is HOROW's all new, beautiful, gorgeous, modern looking toilet that also offers a bidet, but the cool thing is no electricity required. Really, really incredible. This is going to provide you all of the convenience of a bidet in your toilet, all of the hygiene, and it looks really, really great, really, really modern, gorgeous toilet, but it's going to be super, super easy to install. And with no electricity, that means no spike in your electric bill, no complicated, no fuss, no muss, no electricians required, no wiring, nothing like that. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'm gonna tell you all about it.